My name's Annette. We've lived here for 14 years and about a year ago decided that the original kitchen that had been put into the house was ripe for a change. We walked into many other showrooms to have a look at kitchens to get ideas, and from there we selected Sigma 3 because we were blown away by the rendering of the proposed kitchen when we saw it. We had a number of specific requirements for the kitchen. So I wanted the units to go right the way to the ceiling. I wanted to make sure that everything was integrated and we had very clean lines. We wanted the kitchen to be light and bright. The designer showed us some of the samples, and from there she took all our requirements and went away and came up with the design. She had listened to my requirement that I really wanted a larder with the pull-out drawers, and that was integrated, so I was very pleased to see that. I think we thought she'd come up with some very clever ideas to put false fronts on, cupboards on different sides of our breakfast bar, again so that it looked very consistent but so that it was very usable. I identified that the lovely silver oxide, which just had a non-matte finish, which meant that it wasn't a single colour, and I really liked that. She came up with this idea of integrating the dining area with a window seat, and say from the moment we saw the rendering I just loved it. It brought it all in. We haven't lost any space in our dining area, and the extra storage is great. We find that useful for craft activities as well as all the normal things one needs in a dining room. We were very encouraged by how thorough the pre-installation process was. The whole way through we were completely involved in everything. You know, if there were minor changes, or if when the team looked at, oh, we're going to put that shelf there, where do you want this? Fully involved in everything, right down to where did we want the light switches to be, where did we want sockets to be. It all went very smoothly, it kept a schedule. We were given the dates well in advance for when the Corian was going to be fitted, and hence when I could have my sink and running water again. And the same with when we were going to get the splashbacks templated and fitted, and everything occurred, you know, on time and to schedule. The thing I loved most about it was the complete change in terms of the lightness of the space that we now have. Everything feels bright and fresh. The storage ideas and different solutions, each time you open something you think, gosh, that's really clever. I would definitely recommend Sigma 3 to anybody looking for a kitchen. Their design process was fantastic. Their installation team were great, friendly, kept the place clean and kept us informed of what was going on, and we absolutely love our kitchen.